My name is Zoe Griffin. I'm a senior at Rice. I'm originally from Pinedale, Wyoming, and I am in the bioscience department here at Rice. From a really young age, I was always really interested in animals. I was that kid who was out bird watching every chance I got. I was out catching frogs and bringing them in the house, and so I knew that coming into undergrad, biology was what I wanted to study. And, there was no better place than Rice to study natural sciences. The teaching, the classes, just the people in the bioscience department at Rice have been exceptional and have helped me find some really incredible opportunities, especially in research. My research over in the Texas Medical Center has mostly focused on developmental biology, so kind of looking at how we take a single cell and how that single cell grows up into an entire organism. And I use lizards to study that process.
And this is also Zoe. My namesake here is a veiled chameleon.
I call myself the lizard wizard. It's on my grad cap because I've kind of built a reputation around campus where I'll run into professors or I'll run into friends and they say, oh, I saw this lizard today and I thought of you. And I'm very proud of that legacy that I've built for myself because I absolutely love to talk about my research. I will be continuing on that path and studying reptiles at the University of Georgia when I'll be pursuing my PhD there in the fall.
Here we go, Rice!
Rice is a really unique place.
Let's go, Rice!
I get to focus on my research endeavors and really get to be successful in my academic endeavors, but I can also explore these really kind of creative outlets and fun other activities like cheer. It's so much fun to get to interact with the broader Rice community in that way and really, enjoy these really vibrant kinds of events that create the most wonderful memories.
Let's go,